Canadian press.
We're going to try and break the Guinness World Record for the most bicycle bells being played at the same time in a musical way. I think the category is called World's Largest Bicycle Bell Orchestra. So we've got 3 different groups of bells. We've got 800 bells in total of 3 different kinds, and the 3 different bells make pitches that all fit in one key. So one of the bells is going to go ring, 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 and another one's going to go ding, 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 and so on. And we're going to sing the song Walk and Roll, which I wrote for the event.
What's the current record stand at?
It's 503 or 504, set in Germany about 5 years ago. So I feel confident we're going to break that one.
Thank you, Toronto, for joining us for this. I think we smashed the Guinness record! We must have 1,000 people here at the square. I'd like to thank, personally,
The Canadian press.